This video is not sponsored and we don't make any money on it. Our aim is to educate and provide value. We only ask for like, share it in exchange. Have you heard about Airbnb bust? Shelby Church, a host with Airbnb, posted a video on YouTube in October breaking down how much money her Palm Springs, California, Airbnb lost over the summer. After factoring in expenses, she told her 1.75 million subscribers that she lost nearly $10,000 from June through September. In an earlier video, she shared that she had netted over $12,000 in March alone. She did not respond to request for an interview. Church's experience highlights how the lofty expectations of short-term rental owners may be coming back to earth. Airbnb hosts in certain areas are experiencing booking slowdowns that some people are calling an Airbnb bust. The phrase has grown in popularity on Twitter, YouTube, and Reddit. Prompting a recent flurry of online discussion over the term, Amy Nixon, a resident of Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas, screenshotted 2 Facebook comments from hosts asking if others were experiencing slowdowns in bookings and tweeted them on October 16. Nixon, a stay-at-home mom with an economics degree who has worked in journalism, added the caption, "The Airbnb bust is upon us," in a post that has since garnered 53,000 likes. Airbnb, however, is experiencing no such bust. The $60 billion company posted a record $2.88 billion in revenue and $1.2 billion in profit in its third quarter earnings call on Tuesday. Airbnb also announced Monday efforts to be more transparent in pricing, allowing guests to see the total cost of a stay, including cleaning fees, and launching a tool to help hosts price their units more competitively. Still, some hosts are feeling more strained than they expected. Nixon told that her tweet came after she'd noticed changing attitudes in posts in a 196,000-person Airbnb Superhosts Facebook group. On October 26, Adam Taggart, creator of the personal finance platform Wealthian, invited Nixon to analyze the short-term rental market as an amateur housing analyst. Nixon told the slowdowns hosts have been seeing in recent years come from one main source: too much supply. Of the 1.2 million Airbnb listings in the US, 62% have been added since 2020. According to a chart that Jamie Lane, the vice president of research at the short-term rental analytics firm AirDNA, tweeted on October 18. The number of available Airbnb listings grew to 1.38 million in August 2022, up from about 1.07 million year-over-year, according to AirDNA. Over the past 2 years, many people decided to invest into short-term rentals in search of so-called passive income, a concept describing making additional money from side hustles with little to no effort. During the period of historically low interest rates in 2021, thanks to the Federal Reserve standard, many buyers felt emboldened to invest in homes for the sole purpose of listing them on Airbnb, a tactic that has been effective for some. In addition to monitoring the Facebook group, Nixon has observed how short-term rental investors near her in Texas are behaving. "I started to notice about a year ago there was an uptick in people saying, 'Hey, I'm picking up this extra property in Broken Bow, Oklahoma,'" Nixon said. "Suddenly every 3 people you know are talking about how they're going to do this Airbnb property." An abundance of long-term bookings due to loosened travel restrictions and remote work policies spoiled newcomers who joined during the Airbnb boom. And if bookings stalled and the hosts were relying on the Airbnb income to cover the mortgage, those hosts had a safety net because home prices were still going up, Nixon said. They could sell and still come out on top. But now, home price appreciation has slowed and, in a few places across the US, home prices are actually falling. That puts people who invested in short-term rentals, but aren't seeing as much revenue as they planned, in a tough position. "My personal opinion is that the loose monetary policy over the last 2.5 years has fostered a housing market that gives everybody a participation trophy," she said. Anybody that bought a property, whether they were doing a good job running it or not, whether they researched the area, picked a good location, did a good job cleaning and presenting the property, just by owning the home, they could make money in the equity increase. In recent years, the short-term rental market has experienced significant growth, and the popularity of platforms such as Airbnb has created new opportunities for property owners to generate additional income. One such company that has emerged to help homeowners capitalize on the Airbnb boom is Oz Housing. Here are several reasons why renting through Airbnb with Oz Housing can help homeowners make more money. First and foremost, Oz Housing has a proven track record of maximizing profits for homeowners. The company has a team of experienced professionals who specialize in property management and short-term rental optimization. By using data-driven analysis and effective marketing strategies, Oz Housing can help homeowners attract more bookings, increase occupancy rates, and ultimately earn more money through their Airbnb rental. This means that homeowners who partner with Oz Housing can enjoy higher revenues without having to invest significant amounts of time or effort into managing their rental property. Secondly, Airbnb has a larger customer base than traditional vacation rental companies. With over 150 million users worldwide, Airbnb is a popular choice for travelers who want a unique, authentic experience. By listing your property on Airbnb, you have access to this vast network of potential guests. Oz Housing can help homeowners reach this market by optimizing their Airbnb listing, ensuring that it appears at the top of search results and is presented in a way that attracts bookings. This translates to more visibility for your property and more potential bookings, which means more money in your pocket. Another advantage of working with Oz Housing is that the company takes care of all the details of the rental process. This includes everything from setting up the Airbnb listing and responding to guest inquiries, to cleaning the property and handling key exchanges. This means that homeowners can enjoy a passive income stream without having to deal with the day-to-day tasks associated with property management. Oz Housing's experienced team can also provide support and guidance throughout the rental process, helping homeowners make informed decisions that maximize their profitability. Finally, partnering with Oz Housing can also help homeowners reduce their risk of rental issues. The company has a rigorous screening process to ensure that guests are responsible and respectful, and they also provide homeowners with liability insurance to protect against any potential damages or issues that may arise during the rental period. This means that homeowners can have peace of mind knowing that their property is in good hands and that they are protected against any financial risks associated with short-term rentals. In conclusion, renting through Airbnb with Oz Housing is an excellent way for homeowners to earn more money from their rental property. With a proven track record of maximizing profits, access to a large customer base, and a comprehensive management service that takes care of all the details, partnering with Oz Housing can help homeowners achieve their financial goals while minimizing risk and effort. If you're looking to generate additional income from your property, partnering with Oz Housing could be the key to your success. In case if you might have questions about short-term rentals, feel free to use resources like www.ozhousing.com or propertymanagementinOrangeCounty.com. Thank you for watching.